Greetings, my name is Eric Lang, and this is the latest installation for my channel, author Eric Lang. We will be working on a select topic from my book, Engagement, Focus, Intention in Project Management. This particular topic today, this people-centric project management phenomena that I have repeatedly observed over years and is worthy of being called a people-centric project management phenomena, is a human psychology artifact in this particular case that impacts velocity, project velocity. And in the book, this is referred to as eating elephants. There's a Hindu proverb that asks, how do you eat an elephant? And the answer is one bite at a time. And in project management, there's a lot of elephants. And another way of expressing this is what I would call stacking, where there's this infinite stacking of work on top of a contributor, with the belief that as long as they are fully stacked just to the rafters, then absolutely 100% of productivity that can be taken from that contributor will contribute to the project. And that's not how that works. So human beings are not machines, and the contributors in your project do not operate like punch presses, just ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk. Human psychology has a huge play in productivity. And in the case of project management, accelerating project velocity is going to be tied in heavily to how the human mind perceives success. So, for instance, when a person can see the light at the end of the tunnel, their productivity is different than if they just see absolute hopelessness of ever accomplishing anything. And this plays out in two ways. One, either a gigantic mountain of work where they're clearing the mountain one teaspoon at a time. This is not constructive to high productivity for human psychology. Or the other part of eating elephants or stacking, the non-constructive lack of dopamine effect, is when someone is working on something and then somebody says, stop working on that and rush over here and work on this. One of the ways to dramatically improve project velocity and buy-in from contributors and maximizing productivity is to allow contributors to finish something. Let them start it, let them finish it, let them start it, let them finish it. Let them see a project being completed and get that good feeling that comes from that. That dopamine rush, I'm guessing it's a dopamine rush. Some scientist somewhere can tell me what the specifics are, but the feeling of accomplishment reinforces productivity in projects. Therefore, as a project manager, you would like to make sure that your contributors get to actually accomplish something, start something, finish something. And over time, if they associate that good feeling of accomplishment with working with you as a project manager, and this is how you're managing that people-centric project management phenomena called eating elephants, then over time, that productivity will gain and improve, and people who are productive will want to associate with you. It's a long-term play, and you have to protect contributors to allow them to complete things. This is interrelated to the ABCDE problem. This is also interrelated into angels on a pinhead and several other people-centered project management phenomena. That accomplishment dopamine hit is what you're going for here, to make sure that your contributors get a sense of accomplishment, and then they enjoy working with you on progressing through your projects. So eating elephants is the name of this. Otherwise, I'd refer to it as stacking, but I think eating elephants, especially with the Hindu quote, worked out much, much better. So another people-centered project management phenomenon related to this one is the event horizon. That distance to the light at the end of the tunnel changes depending on the individual involved. So there are some people who are experienced that can have a long run in front of them and know that they're going to finish up, 18 months out, 2 years out, something like that. There's others that don't have that experience. They don't have that event horizon, and having long run projects in front of them is as disconcerting as having just a giant pile in the short run in front of them. So what you can do here is you can either break your timelines up, you can break the project quantities up. Either way, try to mix it in so that things get accomplished and you reinforce that positive accomplishment feedback. And over time, this will dramatically improve product And I say dramatically improve, and because it does dramatically improve project velocity and the overall productivity of the contributors. So I want to thank you for watching this video today. We will continue making these. I think there's still another 40 left to go. And again, the book is Engagement, Focus, Intention, and Project Management, available on Amazon. And I look forward to your comments. Thank you.